Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, Moxie DIY in Java. I'm Michelle. Today's video is going to be a clean and organized with me. And if you're anything like me, this is about how I feel about it. So to start, this room that I will be working in is kind of a multi-purpose room. It houses our laundry, extra refrigerator and freezer, storage, a pantry, and last but not least, my craft area. So I'm just going to be showing you the organization of my craft area today, but if you want to see the final result of the entire room, be sure to tune in to my Instagram because I will be posting things there as well. And here it is, the explosion of all things crafts. Yeah, it's bad. It has looked worse, so at least there's that. Well, no time like the present, so let's get started. I plan to get rid of a bunch of past seasons items. Unless I really like them, they're gonna go. This is mending that needs done. Oh boy! My dog is looking over the carnage and even she's scared. Okay, so my process of getting rid of things is because we are moving soon and I don't want to move things that I either don't like or are half used. So I'm going to be getting rid of a lot of things that, like I said, are from past seasons or things that I know for a fact I'm not going to use. And the timing worked out perfect because this is part of the craft organization challenge hosted by Teresa B and Tammy over at Happiness Created. And we are in a big playlist of lots of creators showing our craft areas and the things that we use to either organize them or crafts that we make to organize them. So be sure to check the playlist out. I will link everything down below. And with that, let's keep going. As I'm going through these things, I am thinking to myself, do I love this item? Is it going to serve me or have a purpose? And do I want to move with it? And if the answer is no to any of that stuff, it goes. So I love containers. I just really appreciate having order, but I want to be able to see what I have. I'm one of those people that if I don't see it, I forget about it and then it becomes non-existent. And then I end up buying duplicates of things, which is not good. So I'm hoping until we move not to buy any more craft supplies. I know that's going to be really difficult. It's like that meme about crafters always buying craft supplies. But as you can see, I have plenty of everything. So here I'm showing you my ribbon container and I have it separated by kind of like by seasons per drawer. So the first season up top is going to be Harvest and Halloween. And then the season in the middle drawer is Christmas and Valentine's. And then the bottom drawer is Everyday, so more neutral colors. Whenever I go to the thrift store, I like grabbing Scrabble games for their tiles. And these were just extra game boards that I really don't need. Yikes. So this used to be just for risers and candlesticks. And as you can see, it became a lot of other things. So all I'm going to be doing here is just going through, getting rid of things that, again, I don't want or does not serve me. And we're going to move the actual candlesticks back to their original place. As you can see, I have a container inside a container, and this helps the items not shift so much, and it also helps contain the smaller things. These are some Hot Wheels cars that I plan to use for my tiered tray. I have made the decision to use this bottom drawer and this entire drawer stack for my wood pieces. I will show you the bin that I've been using, and it is quite overflowed. So I'm going to move all of my wood pieces into this drawer stack and the bottom drawer of the neighbor. I like to house my yarn and any extra material behind the drawer stacks because they are easy to move out if and when I need those items. I also use it for additional storage for things that are not in use. These are some frames I got at Hobby Lobby during their big sale, and I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to keep them, but for now they'll stay here. And now I'm going through my stickers. Honestly, I don't really use stickers on paper or in my planners so much. I do use some, but I don't like the 3D versions, so I will be very, very deliberate about which stickers I keep. My X-Acto knife did not come with great storage, and it always worried me that either myself or one of my kids might hurt ourselves, so I'm just going to put it in this and keep all the blades with that. This is my knitting bin, and I'm going to start bringing the other bins back in. The one next to it is kind of a miscellaneous bin. Paints and foam brushes, heat and cutting tools, all my glues and epoxies. Oh my gosh, this space feels so much better. So in total, I threw away 2 regular sized garbage bags worth of things, and I filled up a large moving box full of items I'm going to donate. So that's quite a bit that was in this little space, and like I said, it feels so great. Now, another thing that I like to do for organizing is using my vertical space. If you have the walls to do it, I recommend using your wall space. As you can see, I really like using it for my wreath forms and my stencils. This is all paper products, including paper cutting things, including the infamous Dollar Tree calendars. And then I have my small scrap paper and stickers, wooden beads, obviously. These are my paints and my foam brushes, heating and cutting materials, all the glues and accessories that I use with them. And I hope that if you're enjoying what you're seeing today, that you might consider subscribing and hitting the like button. I usually put out a new video every week, and usually it's decor and DIYs that are pleasing to the eye and also to the budget. This is my pared down florals. And now I'll take you through the drawers. So this first one is Harvest and Halloween ribbons. This next one is Christmas and Valentine's. This last one is Everyday type ribbon. This is where I keep all my thread for my sewing. And this one is for my twines. And this is for pouches and twines that are larger and any ribbon that does not fit into any of the bins. This is my risers and candle holders. All my metals, including these little buckets and the Hot Wheels toys, these letters and numbers, and also the tags. So basically metals in here. Down here is the beginning of my wood supplies, including the little stumps and sticks. This drawer is for different shapes and odds and ends, like clips and things like that. This one is for larger items or foundation type items. And finally, this one is for all of the laser cut shapes or stickers. Up here are my tools of the trade. Tiny things like clips, I really love using mugs. Not to mention they're fun to look at. taller containers, I have markers, colored pencils, watercolor pencils. These are my decorative stickers and alpha stickers, as well as window clings. Then these are more of my organization type stickers, so like chalkboard labels and craft labels. And there it is. That is my all cleaned up and organized craft corner. We'll see how long it lasts, hopefully until our move. And I hope that you've enjoyed this video as much as I have. And until I see you in the next one, take care.